When cleaning, follow these guidelines. Always work from cleanest to dirtiest. In this way, you avoid spreading the dirt when you are cleaning its surface. Clean from top to bottom. When you clean, work with gravity on your side. Because dirt can fall down on what you have just cleaned, this will help you not to clean it twice. When cleaning, start at the farthest point of the room and work your way towards the entryway. This will help you not to clean it twice. Dust before you sweep. Dust is unhealthy for people to breathe in. When you dust before you sweep, you are removing airborne dust particles that will settle on your floor surface. Sweep before vacuuming. When you sweep before vacuuming, you are removing residual dust, dirt, and debris that may be on your floor surface. In this way, the vacuum will not get clogged when you vacuum. Dry mop before you wet mop. When you dry mop before you wet mop, you are removing loose dry soil such as dust, dirt, and sand from the surface of the floor. Clean spills immediately. This will help to avoid the damage that may be caused by spreading the spill. It will also reduce the risks of slips and falls. When spot cleaning, spray the cloth to prevent damage to electronics. Before using a cleaning cloth, take the cloth, fold it in half and then fold it in half again. In this way, your newly folded cloth now has 8 clean sides to clean with. This practice will ensure a cleaner surface, reduce cross-contamination and laundry as well. Know the frequency of completing the cleaning task. Did you know? When you sweep or dust mop, you are creating fine dust particles, which will be captured when you vacuum the floor surface.